Late one night, a poor woman named Clara heard her window break. A masked man stepped inside with trembling hands. "Please. I just need money for my daughter's medicine," he whispered. Instead of screaming, Clara calmly said, "Sit down." She walked into the kitchen and returned with a plate of warm food. The man looked stunned. "Eat first," she said softly. No one should suffer while helping someone they love. Tears filled his eyes as he removed his mask. "I didn't want to hurt anyone," he said. After he ate, she handed him a small envelope with a few bills. "This is all I have. Take it. Save your daughter." He broke down crying, dropping the money. "How can you be kind to me after what I did?" She smiled gently. "Because someone once helped me when I had nothing. Kindness is meant to be passed on." The next morning, when Clara woke up, she found her broken window fixed and an envelope on her table with $5,000 inside and a note. "For your kindness that saved 2 lives, mine and my daughter's.